Mr. Prince Ezekiel Villanueva. And para po sa ating best import, none other than Mr. Enrico Lucena. Check lang daw po kung mosquito po yung ating medals. Okay po. MVP ng ating mosquito division, Mr. Agustin Luis Pulbina. Ito ay makakatanggap ng certificate, ng trophy at ng cash prize. Congratulations po. At ang ating pong Mosquito Division, 3rd place goes to Team Santa Rita. At para po sa ating Mosquito Division, 2nd place goes to Team Bliss.
You know.
At para po sa ating Mosquito Division, Men's Basketball Champion 2024 goes to Team The Heroes. Ang next play natin ay ang Media Division. Ang tatawagin ito ang pangalan ay 5 po sa ating mythical 5 without any particular order, Mr. Elijah Luis Chuacuco. Followed by Mr. Christopher Idana. Next by Mr. Carl Denzel Perez. Next by Mr. Jaden Padua. And our best import 2024 Media Division, Mr. Josh Lecaros.
You know, ice. Si Ice, oh. Josh Lecaros, shout out.
You also find the political time, Mr. Jerwin Rituas. And also our MVP 2024 Media Division is none other than Mr. Jerwin Rituas.
Picture.